Davi, we have 4 minutes. Let's talk now the geopolitics now of this, right? There are people who argue that, well, if the United States gets very tough on South Africa, it's going to make South Africa to shift more toward China, right? That okay,
That's
fine.
an
You can
argument.
cut us, you can cut us off AGOA. You can abuse us, as abuse us as South Africans. Then we are driving us into the arms of China. We are going to be closer to China and make sure that we redirect our trade commitments to China and Russia, right? How do you see that? Do you have that? Do we have
That
that
is
luxury?
that is a very good point that you're making. And I've been thinking about that. I do not have an answer to that yet. But what I can say is that the private sector in South Africa, the financial markets in South Africa, the markets are so well regulated and so liquid, and the markets in South Africa are very important. The state gets its funding from the capital market mostly. We've got a sophisticated tax system in South Africa. The private sector is crucially important, and the private sector, I can tell you, is mostly in favor of good relations with the West and with America specifically. So I
Mm.
think there will be a lot of internal opposition to the government if they try to move closer to China, as an example. And although China is our most important trading partner, China is certainly not our most important funder. They're not the most important investors in South Africa. The Americans and Europeans are. So I think in the end, I think the financial markets will dictate whether South Africa will move closer to China or closer to the West.
Mm, mm.